And I'm testing out a theory. I want to try to make a mesh dress with sequin appliques. So this is the back of the dress using my old pattern from over the summertime when I made a sundress. So that's the pattern I'm going to use. This dress is going to be solid on the back, mesh on the front, appliques on the front with mesh sleeves. So here we are. This is the start. I cut my pattern out here. This is the mesh. So I have my solid black, which is on the top, and I just cut the mesh out for the front. So just wanted to check in and give a quick update. I'm not showing a recording of me actually cutting and sewing because that's going to make the video way too long. But this is where we are now. So we got the front and we got the back cut out. Then I'm going to cut out the sleeves next and move on to the sewing machine. So now I got my sleeves cut, and I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and we're going to move on from there. So I just wanted to drop in. I put the seams together, and now I'm just basically sewing, you know, the shoulders and the sides together right now. It's really quick and really simple. This isn't going to be like a wedding quality dress. This is just me testing out a theory as far as the mesh is concerned and how the appliques lay and stuff like that, and just, you know, learning. So just wanted to drop in. I put on the sleeves and tried on the dress, and you'll see these safety pins where my boobs are and where my crotch is. So I did it that way so that I know where to sew the applique. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on the mannequin. Okay, so here is the mannequin. These are the boobs. I wish they were a little higher up, but like I said, I tried the dress on, and this is where my boobs are, and this is where my crotch is. This is a full view. I did a kind of a mermaid style bottom, not super flared, but it was flared enough. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward with the appliques, and these are the sleeves. It's pretty decent mesh in my opinion. All right, and like you can see, the mesh is sheer. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this, but that's where we at right now. Okay, so now I got my dress on the mannequin, and now I'm pinning the appliques and the places that I need to pin. So this is the start. I only have a little bit of appliques, so I don't even know how this is going to work out, but this is where I'm at right now. Hopefully things look good. Okay, so it's going to take like a long time because I'm hand stitching this, but as you can see right now, I'm like I got this little area done, and it's taking a while, but I'm not really done at all. But I've placed these bigger appliques on. You know, if I'm doing something more expensive, obviously I'll probably stitch a little better, use some different thread or whatnot, but this is where I'm at right now. Just trying to check in. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is kind of difficult, but I already knew that my wedding dress idea was going to be definitely a challenge, and I was going to be working on it for a while. But I'm hand sewing all of this, and so far so good. I'm pretty happy with it.